So guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Justina. My channel's name is Simply Natural, and here we do food recipe, mukbang, chit chat, vlog, and natural hair videos. So guys, today is the day. Finally, I am going to be doing a seafood boil. Remember in my last video, I went down I cooked the soup with goat meat. So the day I went down to the shop to get the goat meat, I saw the little crabs. They're not a fat big one, but it was a live little crab. And I say to myself, let me just take this one for now. If I see another big one sometime down the line, we will definitely do another seafood boil. And yeah, I was just happy and delighted that I saw it. Before that, I did a vlog where I went down to look for the crab. I went down again on my own to see if they have it. So this is the third time. This is actually the third time in city center, in that same shop that I was looking for the crab. And so because a subscriber of mine told me that they had goat meat, so you know me, I love goat meat, so I went down to get myself some. And yeah, when I was there, that's when I noticed that they had the little crab, and it was live, it was fresh, and I was like, okay, let me pick it up. So that is the story for how I got the crab. So guys, I am going to take you guys over here and we will start our seafood boil. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Just come over already. Don't mind me. I'm so playful. I'm so full of myself sometimes, in a way that is okay. Because I like playing. I like having fun. I like just being free. So come over on board. Let's go and do our thing. This is our ingredients for today. So we have corn. So I did not see the fresh one in the shop. I went all over the place looking for the fresh one, didn't see it. I ended up with the frozen one. The story of finding corn. I have fish. I know some people don't use fish in their seafood boil, but for this fish I'm not going to be boiling the fish. For this fish, I'll be putting it in the oven. I have Maggi, curry and thyme. I have ginger and garlic. I have salt. I have onions and this long chili pepper. I have another onions and one big sweet red bell pepper and onions, one big onions. And here, let me move all this thing out of the way. Wow. And here, this is our crab. So I felt like I needed to introduce the crab. So that is the crab. So the day I bought this crab, it was live. And it was pinching me all over the place. And then the person I bought told me to dip it first in icy water, and then if I want to put it in the freezer, I can. So my intention that day was to make this video as soon as I can, but I ended up doing my you know me and fufu. I ended up doing my oha soup with all those fresh ingredients that came from Nigeria. That's why I did not do the crab. But yes, it was live, it was pinchy the day I bought it. That is the way it looks, right? Okay. And yeah, we're going to clean it up. But before we start, doing the crab, I would like to sort out this fish and put it in the oven. So I am going to be using this for the fish. So guys, I'm going to be blending this and I'll use it for the fish, and I'm going to be adding one of this. I'll take the longest one. I'm going to be adding one of this in here. I don't know how spicy this is. It might not be that spicy, this pepper. I'm going to be adding ginger and garlic. Okay. Right? And I'm going to just add a tiny bit of water. I don't want too much water. So I will put a tiny, and I will blend this up. So guys, I am done blending this. I am going to add it inside this fish. I'm going to add 2 Maggi, curry, thyme, salt. I'm going to add a tiny bit of Nigerian dry chili because I just want it to be a little bit spicy, and we will mix that, turn that all around. Oh, that's good. Okay, I will put this in the oven. So guys, the fish has gone inside the oven, and I am going to leave it in there for 30 minutes, I think. So guys, now our fish has gone inside the oven. The next thing we're gonna do is start cleaning our crab, because he showed me in the shop how to peel out the back. So we're going to basically peel out this, right? Okay, this we're not gonna eat this. We're not gonna eat this, and we're gonna take out this as well, because we're not gonna eat that as well. Sorry, I'll be leaving all the dirty ones in here. But we're gonna take out the mouth as well. Okay, and then this I will rinse out this. So when I finish peeling them, I have to wash this whole thing out, like clean it properly. Every other thing here you can eat this. And some of the female have this thing, lift it up and take it out. So guys, we are done cleaning the crab. I must say it is so important to clean your crab very well. They are so dirty. There was loads of sand coming out from them, and the water that I used to soak them earlier on, there was a tons of sand on the bottom of the water. So please, if you buy a fresh crab, make sure that you wash it thoroughly. I'm not even joking, like clean it properly. And as you can see, I was also using the sponge to scrub out the back, because the back was very dirty and it was not washing out without the sponge. So I was using the sponge to scrub the back very well. So now it is clean. We are going to start cooking this. I am going to dump I'll put the stove on, and then I'm going to dump the onions in it. I will add a bit more water because you need the water to cover the crab. So I'll add water. And I'm going to put the pepper in it. So I'm putting one more of this pepper. I'm going to add 2 Maggi. I'm going to add salt. So now I'm going to pound this. I'm going to add I'm adding the ginger and garlic in there. I know I didn't show paprika, but I'm going to add paprika as well. And he said to cook the crab for 15 minutes. Don't cook it more than 15 minutes. That's what the guy in the shop said. So I am going to cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. So guys, now that my crab is boiling, I am also going to boil my corn. I'm sorry, but I don't really like my corn to be boiled with spices and all that. I prefer a simple plain corn. I don't like to cook corn with spice. So I am just going to boil my corn just like that. And yeah, that is it. Yeah. So guys, after 10 minutes, we are going to check on our crab. Oh, look at it. Wow, it looks so beautiful now. So we are going to leave it to keep boiling. It has another 5 more minutes to go. So guys, I took out the fish to check. It has been in there for about 20 minutes and it's almost done. It's very, yeah. If I give it another 10 more minutes in there, and yep, the fish will be also ready. So guys, it is time to take out our crab off from the stove. It is past 15 minutes now, and he was saying do not overcook it. So, and he also said immediately you finish cooking it, take it out of the boiling water so it can stop cooking. So I am going to scoop all this out of the boiling water. So I have moved it out of the stove completely, and I'm going to just scoop them out of the water. So guys, this is our crab. It is out of the water, and guys, oh, it is looking good. It is looking so good. I'm so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. So it is also time to take out the corn. I'm going to take it out and then I'll go and drain it in the sink. So guys, the fish is also out of the oven, and I am going to scoop and put it in the middle. Scoop and put it in the middle. I'll get the sauce. Did you see that? Hey, did you see? So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I can't wait to dive in and eat this seafood boil. So yeah, we are done for today, guys. We are done. So guys, we are absolutely done for today. I am happy that I finally did a seafood boil. I know it's not a big crab, but we will, start from there, and hopefully one of these days we're going to find lobster and crab, the big ones. But yeah, we're done. And please, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.